हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अनलॉक यूपीपीसीएस। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं घटना चक्र पूर्वावलोकन इंडियन हिस्ट्री। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25, द कल्चरल रिमेन्स फ्रॉम स्टोन एज टू हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन हैव बीन ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एंशियंट साइट्स? आमरी, मेहरगढ़, कोटडीजी, कालीबंगन। हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज मेहरगढ़. The cultural remains from Stone Age to Harappan civilization have been obtained from Mehergarh, located in Balochistan, Pakistan. Excavation at Navda Toli was conducted by. Answer is H.D. Sankalia. इसमें जो इतना बड़ा एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया गया है, इसमें हमें याद रखना है कि ये साइट कहाँ है, किसके द्वारा एक्सकवेट की गई थी, राइट? तो this site is located near Khargone, Madhya Pradesh, and this site was excavated by Mr. H.D. Sankalia, professor of Deccan College, Pune, and this site was the most extensive excavated Chalcolithic site, ये भी याद रखना है, of Indian subcontinent, which is determined to be between 1500 BC and 1300 BC. बाकी का explanation आपको पढ़ लेना है. आई डोंट थिंक कि पूरा जितना भी ये सब दिया हुआ है वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. इन विच स्टेट द नर्दावटोली इज लोकेटेड? तो आप आंसर जानते ही हो, मध्य प्रदेश. मेगालिथ्स हैव बीन आइडेंटिफाइड एज caves for hermits, burial sites, temple sites, none of the above. Here correct answer is burial sites. मेगालिथ्स यानी कि मेगा यानी बड़े, ठीक है, यानी कि लार्ज स्टोन्स. The megaliths usually refer to the burials made up of large stones in graveyards away from the habitation area. A large fraction of these is assumed to be associated with burial or post-burial rituals, including memorials for those whose remains may or may not be available. Few types of these are chamber tombs, dolmens, stone alignments, stone circles, cromlech, pit circles, etc. Ash mound is associated with the Neolithic site of. Here correct answer is Sangankallu. The ash mounds have been found from a Neolithic site. जो संगनकल्लू है कर्नाटका में, ये Neolithic site है, राइट? इसको याद रखना है. Located in Ballari district in Karnataka. They have also been found in Piklihar and Utnur. These ash mounds are the burnt relics of seasonal camps of the Neolithic herdsman community. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 पे हम आ गए हैं. भीमबेटका is famous for. This is very very easy question. Here correct answer is rock paintings. The rock shelters of Bhimbetka are located in Abdullahganj, Raisan, MP. UNESCO has included the shell pictures of Bhimbetka in the list of its World Heritage Site. These caves exhibit the earliest traces of human life on the Indian subcontinent and include the pictures of an elephant, sambar, deer, etc. There are 500 pictures in 750 rock shelters. Which one of the following places is famous for prehistoric paintings? करेक्ट आंसर इज भीमबेटका. ये यूपीपीसीएस मेंस 2011 में आया हुआ है, उत्तराखंड मेंस से भी आया हुआ है. वेयर आर द केव्स ऑफ भीमबेटका सिचुएटेड? भोपाल, पंचमढ़ी, सिंगरौली, अब्दुल्लागंज, रायसन. Here correct answer is option D, that is Abdullahganj, Raisan. In India, from which rock shelter pictures has been found the most? Correct answer is Bhimbetka. 2020 में इसी क्वेश्चन को कुछ दूसरे तरीके से पूछा गया है. Which of the following Indian archaeologists first visited Bhimbetka caves and discovered prehistoric significance of its rock paintings? Here answer is V.S. Vakandkar. Right. Bhimbetka caves located in Raisen district of MP. They are the best example of rock paintings of prehistoric era discovered by V.S. Wakankar in 1957. ईयर भी याद रखना है, ईयर भी पूछा जा सकता है, इम्पोर्टेंट है. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its prominent prehistoric rock paintings. Next question. When did Dr. Vishnu Sridhar Wakankar discover the rock shelters of Bhimbetka? Here correct answer is 1957 to 1958. देखो यहाँ ईयर भी पूछ लिया गया. ठीक है. Bhimbetka was discovered by, here correct answer is Dr. Vishnu S. Wakankar. The ochre colored pottery was christened at, correct answer is Hastinapur. Discovery and naming of OCP was done by B.B. Lal in 1950 to 52 at हस्तिनापुर. यहाँ नाम भी पूछा जा सकता है किसने डिस्कवर किया था. ठीक है. हु डिस्कवर्ड एंड नेम्ड. Ochre colored pottery, as the name implies, its main distinguishing feature was when rubbed it left and left on ochre color on fingers, which gives it a first appearance of being badly fired. Other characteristics are its porous character and the fact that it is invariably worn out at the edges. In the Chalcolithic period, people of Maharashtra buried their dead under the floor of their houses in the following orientation. यानी कि किस डायरेक्शन में ये लोग मतलब कि ये लोग रखते थे डेड लोगों को. तो हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज नॉर्थ टू साउथ पोजीशन. ठीक है. People of Jorve culture lived in a large rectangular houses with wattle and doab walls and thatched roofs. They believed in life after death and therefore buried the dead inside the houses under the floor. Children were buried in two urns that were joined mouth to mouth and set horizontally in the pit, while adults were placed in a supine position with their head toward north, यानी कि north to south. These sites were found in Daimabad, Inamgaon, Chandauli, Nevasa, etc. Which of the following sites has yielded skeleton of the dog along with human skeleton in burial? Here correct answer is Burzahom. Dog along with human skeleton. Correct answer is Burzahom. Burzahom site is a prehistoric settlement in the village of the same name in Kashmir Valley, right? Both human and animal skeletons were found here with trepanning bored hole marks. In many pits, bones of dogs and antlered deer were found along with human skeletons. The skeletons of human were found in the burial pits in a sitting position along with the bones of animals. The first excavation at the Burzahom site was carried out by Helmut Diterra and Doctor Thomas Patterson in 1935 AD. ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि the first excavation at the Burzahom site was carried out by, यहाँ पे नाम पूछ सकता है. ठीक है. ईयर भी पूछ सकता है. तो किसने एक्सकवेशन किया था? हेलमेट डिटेरा एंड डॉक्टर थॉमस पैटरसन. एंड इन विच ईयर? ईयर वाज 1935 एडी. और साइट कौन सी थी? बुर्जहोम. द एविडेंस of burying the dog with human body is found from which of the following places? Here correct answer is Burzholm. Evidence of pit dwelling has been obtained from, here correct answer is Burzholm. Correctly match the following, right? Paleolithic age, that is सोहन या सोन रिवर वैली, मेसोलिथिक एज, भीमबेटका केव्स, नियोलिथिक, बुर्जहोम, चाल्कोलिथिक एज, बनास वैली। सी, पेओलिथिक एज, सोहन रिवर वैली, मेसोलिथिक एज, भीमबेटका केव्स, नियोलिथिक एज, बुर्जहोम, चाल्कोलिथिक एज, बनास वैली। यहाँ एक तरफ आर्कियोलॉजिकल साइट दिया हुआ है, दूसरी तरफ दिया है प्रेजेंट लोकेशन, राइट। इन्हें मैच करना है। यहाँ ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट है। निवासा दैट इज इन महाराष्ट्र, इसामपुर कर्नाटका, डिडवाना राजस्थान, गुडियम केव ये है तमिलनाडु में। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स for historical place and well known for Burzahom, rock cut shrines, Chandraketugarh, terracotta art, गणेश्वर कॉपर आर्टिफैक्ट्स। पूछा है कौन से पेयर सही है। यहाँ करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन डी 2 and 3। चंद्रकेतुगढ़ known for its terracotta art and गणेश्वर for copper artifacts। ये IAS प्री 2021 का क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है। इसका पढ़ लेते हैं एक्सप्लेनेशन। बुर्जहोम is a Neolithic site in Kashmir Valley. The site is famous for pit dwelling and Neolithic tool industry and not for rock cut shrines. Chandraketugarh is located in the West Bengal. Chandraketugarh was connected to the Ganga by the Vidyadhari river and must have been an important center of trade and possibly also a political center. Chandraketugarh was a major center of terracotta craft. Various kinds of artifacts have been found at the site over the years, including coins, pottery, seals and sealings, and figurines made of ivory, wood, and bronze. The Ganeshwar Jodhpura culture was located in Rajasthan. Hundreds of copper objects have been found at this site. Next question. ये भी IAS प्री का है 2024। चंद्रकेतुगढ़ ओडिशा डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है। ट्रेडिंग पोर्ट टाउन, इनामगांव महाराष्ट्र, चाकोलिथिक साइट, मंगडू केरला मेगालिथिक साइट, सालीहुंडम आंध्र प्रदेश, रॉक कट केव श्राइन्स। कौन सा इंफॉर्मेशन सही है ये पूछ रहा है। हियर ऑप्शन 2 and 3 इज करेक्ट, ठीक है। बी, इनामगांव महाराष्ट्र चाकोलिथिक साइट, मांगडू केरला मेगालिथिक साइट। चंद्रकेतुगढ़ तो पता है ये वेस्ट बंगाल, ठीक है। और इनाम गांव महाराष्ट्र, मांगडू ये केरला में है, और सालीहंडम इसका पढ़ लेते हैं। ये हिस्टोरिकली इम्पोर्टेंट बुद्धिस्ट साइट इन श्रीकाकुलम डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश। There are a number of Buddhist stupas and a huge monastic complex on a hillock amidst scenic surroundings. During excavations, relic caskets, 4 stupas, Chaitagriha structural temples, and a number of sculptures reflecting the three phases of Buddhism, Theravada, Mahayana, and Vajrayana were found here. However, there is no rock-cut cave shrines found here. Okay. From which rock shelter of Vindhyas a maximum number of human skeletons have been found? Here correct answer is Lekhaiya. Okay. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other as reason R. The Stone Age people of the Vindhyas migrated to the Ganga Valley in terminal Pleistocene period. Reason: due to climatic change it was dry phase in this period. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए। बोथ ए एंड आर ट्रू एंड आर इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए। Stone Age people of the Vindhyas migrated to the Ganga Valley in the terminal Pleistocene period. Because of climatic change, Vindhyan Valley had become dry. ये क्वेश्चन यूपीपीसीएस आरओ एआरओ मेंस में आया था 2016 में. Which of these departments deals with Archaeological Survey of India as an accessory office? Culture, tourism, science and tech, human resource and development. Here correct answer is culture. The Archaeological Survey of India under the Ministry of Culture is a premier organization for the archaeological research and protection of the cultural heritage of the nation. In 1871, the Archaeological Survey was established as a separate department, and Alexander Cunningham was appointed as its first Director General. ये point याद रखना है आपको, right? In 1901, during the tenure of Lord Curzon, it was centralized. किसके पीरियड में सेंट्रलाइज्ड हुआ ये भी याद रखना है. And designated as the Archaeological Survey of India. In 1902, John Marshall assumed office of its Director General. Question number 49. Who is called the father of Indian archaeology? यहाँ करेक्ट आंसर है अलेक्जेंडर कनिंघम. Alexander Cunningham was appointed as British Army officer with Bengal Engineer Group. He is known as the father of Indian archaeology. Where is National Human Museum situated? Correct answer is Bhopal. Right. National Museum of Mankind, known as Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrahalaya, is located in Bhopal. It is an autonomous organization under the Ministry of Culture. तो चलिए आज यहीं तक रखते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें आप सभी, लाइक करें एंड शेयर करें अनलॉक यूपीपीसीएस को. थैंक यू.